Hello ladies and gentlemen, did you know that crypto lotteries actually exist, much like the legacy lotteries that we're very much familiar and used to? Well, yes, they actually do. So crypto lotteries are all around us, and we've probably not even seen them anywhere, and they're very, very unique, but they're almost very similar to, the real world lottery. If you're based in the US or the UK, think along the lines of, Mega Millions, things like this. Although there are now new variations of, lottery winnings to the games, crypto lottery games essentially allow you to take advantage of the blockchain protocol and be able to purchase a ticket in the decentralized fashion, which would allow you to actually earn more cryptocurrency should you be lucky to win. And this usually just occurs in the same way it does in the real world, where you're going to get some numbers drawn out. For example, you would buy like a Bitcoin lottery ticket, which could cost the equivalent around $2. Your ticket will then have 6 numbers or so, ranging from 1 to 49. The game starts and randomly draws those 6 numbers ranging from 1 to 49. You match all the 6 numbers, and that means you're going to get the huge jackpot. Now that's the sort of particular instance. What's some of the pros? Well, you can win big, low stakes required to enter. You don't need experience with, the crypto lottery and things like that. They can be played anywhere. There's loads of Bitcoin providers. You can play on your laptop, phone. It's fully transparent, and it's always fair and true because there's no bias in the game. I suppose the cons could be that you lose money over time, and maybe some providers are unregulated, but it's really cool to see that we have crypto lotteries that can help us actually make more money in these cryptocurrency environments. Now, one of the first I wanted to show you is Lucky Block. Actually, this is the #1 crypto games platform where everyone can be a winner. Fun fact, you can actually passively win cryptocurrency for this particular project just by holding their unique NFTs. They've got 10,000 minted at the moment, and just over a quarter of them have already been sold. So this is definitely one that I'm very, very bullish on. As you can see here, Lucky Block to launch crypto jackpot prize draws. They'll be going live mid-May this month at some point. Lucky Block, a crypto games platform, is set to launch daily jackpot prize draws later this month with a total prize pool currently valued at $2.2 million. Token holders are able to purchase tickets at a cost of $5 each. You can do this on the Google Play app, and they are actually in the process of making their iOS app, which will just increase the networking coverage massively. So there are free entries also offered to those who connect their crypto wallets to the app each day. The free entry keeps the product outside the jurisdiction of the Gambling Commission in the UK, as well as regulatory bodies in other territories. You can see here, as the Lucky Block CEO, Scott Ryder, commented, "We are the breakthrough crypto our team can be rightly proud of as we set out to shake up how jackpot prize draws are run, putting the players and charities front and center." So also now the free entry option, the jackpot draws will attract users to our wider gaming platform in droves. We look forward to the challenge of catering to these new crypto users and scaling up as we grow, and other giveaways, and how they can also integrate more play to earn games into their giveaways as they strive to be the #1 games and platform. So it's really interesting to see. There are also other benefits for Lucky Block token holders. There are also other benefits for Lucky Block token holders, especially those who own the Platinum Rollers Club NFTs. NFT owners will be able to enter a grand prize draw of around $1 million. And something else that gets me extremely bullish right now for this particular games and giveaways platform is V1 versus 2. They're slowly becoming, they've got their testnet, mainnet ready. So they're just basically releasing their Ethereum bridge, and they're trying to become V2 so they can also transact and have interoperability across the Ethereum blockchain, which will help them get more centralized exchange listings, which means more volume, more pump, more wallet holders, and much more exciting things to come. So keep your eyes peeled on Lucky Blocks. I think it's going to be a massive one for the future. Just like we've seen many small projects, alt gems, that just launched. This launched in January 2022. They grow by 1,000 to 10,000% when they have a team that's consistently working on the marketing and the roadmap. We do have some more traditional sites as well on the lotto front, such as Fortune Jack. You can get up to 5M Bitcoin for free, and they're going to give away free spins as well. So this is more of your legacy style crypto games that you're probably familiar with. We also have another website called bspin.io, Bitcoin Spin. So it's a pretty cool one. You've got lots of different games that you can play. For example, you just need to log in, and then from there you get onwards. You just make your account. Some websites also have particular promotions. As you can see here, if you register, Bspin offer you more time to play, more opportunities to win. Register on bspin.io, deposit and receive a fair 100% bonus of up to 1 million new Bitcoin and 20 free spins. Sounds a little bit fishy to me. But yeah, so this is quite interesting to see. Another particular games and giveaways platform. We also have on our decentralized exchange PancakeSwap. If you go onto the win section, they have their own lottery system as well. Not sure how many people know about this, but every time there is a pool, which you can see this value is 181,000, and every few days or weeks there is a draw. 20 hours 37 minutes until the next draw. Prize pot around 181k. And the way you do this is you buy some tickets by connecting your MetaMask wallet or BSC wallet, and all you need to do is basically buy X amount of tickets. Now when you check if you're a winner, you're going to get some numbers, and when we look at the winning numbers and the details, let's say you matched 3 of these numbers, you got a 4, a 6, a 4, a 2 and a 6, you would actually win 1,000 pancake, which is around $8,000. It says here how many tickets won, so one person did actually win $15,000 here. Nobody got a 5 or 6, and there were 460 winners on a single cake. So just getting one number, if you got a 4 at the start, you would have won $3,000 right there just for buying a single ticket on the PancakeSwap. So yeah, you could argue it cost a few dollars every time, but you know, maybe the odds to actually win once, it's not as low as you'd think. And what are the odds, to be honest, if you do calculate it over a long period of time? I think it could be quite interesting to see. So this one here was 0.91 cake each, $3,000 pool, because you have to divide that by 460. This one, of course, was $8,000 divided by the 5, so they're going to get 200 pancake over there. Another one is Sphere Games. So Sphere Games, or Sphere Finance, does also offer a gaming element. We can see that this particular one has a prize pool of $7,189, prize distribution 89%, charity wallet gets 1%, 10% of it does get burned as well. So very, very similar. You can deposit Sphere to be eligible to win prizes in this pool. Once deposited, you will receive T-Sphere and be entered to win until your Sphere is withdrawn. Each Sphere deposited is another chance at winning the prize. So very, very exciting to see these particular crypto lottery and crypto games exist that help us capitalize not only more money but more cryptocurrency at the same time, and also adds a bit of metaverse play to earn element in the crypto space. So very much Web3 projects will be following with this type of activity, because it allows you to provide liquidity to these games and stake and keep the total value locked of these projects higher, which keeps the floor price higher, to be honest. Less volatility, more long-term growth. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you're new here, make sure you hop over to my Twitter and head over to the $100 giveaway. You can literally just find that down below in the description. If you want to buy some cryptocurrency today, use the link at the very top and go check out the Lucky Block games and giveaways, because it's a really, really cool website and it's going to grow massively over the next few months and years. Hope you enjoyed the content. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. See you soon.